one of only two out of the 5 number 1 seeds made it to the final. Smetov and Sabrina Fultzmoser of Austria, who we'll see in the under 57 kilo category final. Good matchup here. 1 faces 2. Just what was put on the cards, and it's turned out that way. Crowd getting into it. Smetov gripping up unusual left and right. Not sure how long he's going to be able to hold that for. Bound to get called now. Yeah. Just hung on there for a little bit too long. Avoids that Suetemi was her effort from Dashkova. Persisting with that cross grip on the right and then looking to attack right-sided. Awkward for Dashkova, but I think he's seen that coming now. Whoop, missed out there. Really nice look about that effort. Getting him up onto his hip. Sporting from Smetov, apologising for standing on his opponent's foot. Both fighters have been penalised once. Finely balanced contest there with 2 minutes left to go. Oh yes, planted him absolutely flat on his back there. Great pickup from the little man. Wazzari only. I think the crowd are wondering why it wasn't Nippon. I've only seen it the once. Going again with the Uchimata. Well, I was wondering why there wasn't a Wazari on the board. It's there eventually. Very confusing when that sort of thing happens. Maybe you've dreamed it. Not on this occasion. Now 40-odd seconds left to go. There comes Dashtava pressing forward. Just needs to keep his head up here. Second penalty picked up by Smetov. Yeah, that grip. I'm surprised that they haven't spotted that again. Will come out of the Osai Komi. Into it again. Kamishio Gatami from Smetov. And he should be able to take it home from there. Crowd on their feet. As the seconds tick away. And Smetov of Kazakhstan wins it. Well, the little man does it again. Gold last time round and gold again here. No, you're going to have to come back. Should get him back. Bronze medals go to Ashkat Telmanov of Kazakhstan and to Ganbold Kerlan of Mongolia.
Silver medalist from Mongolia is Dashtava Amatuvshin. And gold medalist from Kazakhstan is Yildiz Snyadov.
Silver medalist was Dashtava Amatuvshin. The gold medal goes to Yildiz Smetov of Kazakhstan. Now the national anthem of Kazakhstan.